There are 5 different species of Pacific salmon. Chum, also known as dog salmon; pink, also known as humpback salmon; coho, or silver salmon; sockeye, or red salmon; and king, or Chinook salmon. Each one starts its life cycle as one of thousands of eggs deposited by a female and fertilized by a male in their home stream. This process is called spawning, and once salmon have spawned, both males and females die. Salmon fry, the tiny fish that hatch, emerge after 2 to 8 months, depending on the species. While many are quickly eaten by predators, those that survive begin their migration to the sea. Here, too, they are vulnerable to predators, but those that survive their journey become smolts, and their bodies must adjust to life in salt water. Depending on the species, salmon smolts spend 1 to 7 years in the ocean, feeding, growing into adults, and traveling thousands of miles, before migrating back to their very same home streams to repeat the cycle. Females deposit thousands of eggs, males fertilize them, and both die, their bodies feeding the stream that will feed the next generation of salmon. So, how does a dam affect salmon? 2 ways. First, salmon fry may not be able to reach the sea if a downstream dam stands in their way. Second, adult salmon may not be able to return to their home stream if an upstream dam blocks their passage. In either case, salmon populations suffer, and 13 Columbia River salmon populations are officially listed as threatened with extinction. When Lewis and Clark explored the Columbia River in the early 1800s, an estimated 10 to 16 million salmon swam upstream each year. Today, an average of 660,000 salmon return. And while 660,000 sounds like a big number, it's just 3%